$500 to the winner. 20-lap main event, American factory stocks. And Carnage with the best-looking car he's ever brought to the racetrack. He's going to lead him into turn number 1. Stites already up to the second place spot in the number 42. 3 of Perris battle going down the back straightaway. That's Kelly on the inside. And he's the first one to turn number 3. And the leader goes around. So fortunately, everybody missed him. He turns it around. We will stay green. Car was fast in a heat race, but once again, it's the first time he's had that car out this year. So he's still working the bugs out of it. That handed the lead to Stites. That might be bad news for everybody else. Going for 4 in a row. Kelly running second. Lanny Savage up to third. Kintop fourth. Cook, who started on the front row, is slid way back in the field. Stites parks it right in front of the hashtag Save Perris sign. Now Kintop going to the inside of Savage. That's for third. And your rain gets by Savage for fourth. Over a half straightaway lead. We are only on lap number 4. And Cook takes the number 84 car back to the pit area. Nick Kelly still running second. Kintop third. Urain fourth. It's Savage, 6th spot Phillips. 7th spot Carnage. 8th spot Pack. Carnage gets by Phillips. Man, Stites is just spanking this field. This is kind of turning into almost like a NASCAR race up here in the press box. Kelly's still running in second, about 2 zip codes behind. And Pack goes around in turn 4. I think we're going to have to go yellow. And we go yellow. This is going to make it a little more interesting. Stites out front. Nick Kelly second. 3rd spot Kintop. 4th Urain. 5th Savage. 6th Phillips. 7th Pack. Where's Carnage? Carnage went back to the pit area. May have been overheating. Tough break for him. He was fast. I thought he may make a charge. I did not see him go back to the pits. Nick Kelly hanging on for second. This is one of the better runs we've ever seen him have here at Perris Auto Speedway. They'll be halfway the next time by. So if you've never been to the race before, watch the start of this time by. You see him holding up the cross flags. He'll show those to the drivers. That tells them they're halfway through the race. Well, Nick Kelly really starting to close in. Remember, Stites had over a full straightaway lead before. Kelly's found the spot coming off turn 4. Ethan Kintop right behind the lead duo. All of a sudden, Kelly catches up to the back bumper of Stites. Urain closes in. Now Kelly goes to the wide line, coming off 4. He may go a little too wide this time. Gets a good run, but opens up the bottom. Kintop goes from 3rd to 1st. Kelly's gone. Where the heck did he come? That was my move. He gets into him. He goes around. And he gets clobbered by Urain. And we go yellow. He has never won a main event here at Perris Auto Speedway. Was looking pretty good right there. Seeing boy, Stites brought him that line slower. That car is not running right. Hands the lead to Kelly. The streak may be over. Lanny Savage down to the bottom of the racetrack. 3 abreast off turn number 2. Look who's coming on the outside. Carnish is back out there on the lead lap. Carnish to 3rd. So something definitely gone wrong on that 42 car. I think Nick Kelly would be looking for his first ever win at this racetrack. And he's got nearly a half straightaway lead. That's Urain running in 2nd. Carnish right behind Urain. Carnish is smoking. Carnish looks at the inside. Urain fights him off. Urain inching a little closer to Nick Kelly, but does he have time? Carnish good on the brakes that time to stay off the back end of Urain. 4th spot is Savage. Kintop back up to 5th. 6th spot is Pack. 7th it is Stites. Carnish to the inside of Urain. Carnish takes 2nd away. Urain fights his way back on the outside. Good battle going on for 2nd. Problem is, when they're battling for 2nd, that's allowing the 3K of Kelly to pull further away. Three laps remaining. Car around in 3. That is Kintop. He keeps on going. Two laps left. White flag got to come out this time by. One to go for Nick Kelly. Down the back straightaway, final time. Checker's going to come down. I think it's his first ever win here at the pass. The victory's going to go to Nick Kelly. 2nd spot, Carnish. 3rd spot, Urain. 4th spot will be Lanny Savage. 5th spot, I think Pack was on the lead lap. 7th would be Kintop. And we lost 2 cars earlier. One was the 84. Coming out, he can hear you. Make some noise for Nick Kelly.
This is new to you. We'll work on this. Man, woo, not bad.
Oh, wow, that is insane. Now I know how my cousin Brandon and my uncle feel for winning races.
They said you've been working pretty hard on bringing this car around and working hard. You did at the roof, but they said you've been working on this thing pretty hard.
Oh yeah, this thing I've had for almost 7 years now. And just little by little, I want to thank my cousin, the number 3 driver, and my uncle, the number 1 driver, for all the help they help get this car here to the track.
Kind of set the standard for tonight.
Yep. So we'll see how it does in the street stocks now. We got 2 fast cars, so we'll see what happens.
Carnish was catching you a little bit. He was smoking pretty bad, though.
Yeah, I knew he was behind me, but we've had a friendly rivalry since I started.
I had one with him a long time ago, so it's kind of fun to beat him.
Yep.
Oh, sorry, Chris.
Tell him about the metal ball.
Hey, great! All these guys are great drivers.
So I'm gonna clue you in on a story that hopefully the fans aren't listening. Years ago, my little brother and I were racing with Chris. Hit a car out. Well, he wasn't looking. We slipped a big steel BB in the back seat of his, and he didn't understand what was rolling around and rattling in the back of his car.
Oh, yeah.
You got to have fun. But congratulations. I know you've been working hard at this.
Yeah, it's a family activity. I want to thank my family that are here in the stands, my cousin Tiffany, cousin Jordan, the girls, Digger, Tyson, Josh, the whole family. It's been a big blessing.
Now's the good part. You get to take pictures, hang them on your wall.
Thank you.
Congratulations.